Good morning, one and all. I am Darshan Kadam, ARS scientist, fruit science, and posted at University of Soil and Water Conservation, Dehradun. As we know, that Dr. Bipin Kumar sir is quite actively engaged from last few years in dissemination of agricultural knowledge through several e-platforms. So, at his request, I am preparing this small video to provide broad overview of the employment opportunities available in horticulture sector. As we know that horticulture deals with cultivation, processing, and utilization of fruits, vegetables, flowers, medicinal and aromatic plants, condiments, spices, medicinal plants, as well as gardening, landscaping, and even mushroom cultivation. Particularly, it is thriving and emerged as a vibrant sector in past 1 decade. The current production is more than 300 million metric tons from 25 million hectare area, and the contribution of horticulture in agriculture GDP is more than 30%. As most of the horticulture crops are predominantly climate resilient, more profitable, nutritionally dense, and they are technically more demanding, require sophisticated skills. More skilled people can be absorbed in this sector, and thus there are enormous possibilities of getting employment. If we can classify the job opportunities into three sectors, that is government sector, private sector, and third one that is most vital, that is startups or starting your own enterprise. As far as government sector is concerned, those having PhD degree they can pursue, or those pursuing PhD degree can prepare for agriculture research services. Earlier the qualification was MSc degree, but hereafter for next advertisement the minimum qualification is PhD. So if one wanted to become a scientist in ICR based institute, they have to acquire the PhD degree. Furthermore, there are several horticulture dedicated universities came up in the recent past, and additionally almost every agriculture university is having the horticulture department and colleges, so one can get employment opportunity as an assistant professor. Additionally, there are several research positions and management positions available in ICR institutes and SAUs, like farm manager, technical assistant, SRF, RA, SRA, like that. Furthermore, there are more than 700 Krishi Vigyan Kendras are operating in pan India, and they need the subject matter specialist and farm manager. So at least one position is there for each and every KVK for horticulture. Additionally, there are a couple of CSIR institutes like IHBT Palampur and CMAP Lucknow. They are also sometimes recruit horticulture graduates in various capacities. Furthermore, there are plantation crop boards working under the ambit of Ministry of Commerce, like tea board, coffee board, rubber board, spices board. They also absorb horticulture graduates in different capacities. So one have to keep eye on their websites. And additionally, there are Delhi Development Authority or several municipal corporations across country, and CPWD department provides opportunity for horticulture graduates to manage their orchard, manage their gardens, especially maintaining and management of gardens. And the position they generally offers is section officer. For that they conduct the entrance examination, and horticulture graduate can get opportunity. Additionally, few state governments in state extension department, they provide opportunity as a deputy director of horticulture or assistant horticulture officer, like that. Like states like Karnataka, Haryana, they are providing opportunities especially for horticulture graduates. So these are the opportunities, broad opportunities in government sector. As far as private sector is concerned, the vegetable industry and floriculture industry is mainly driven by the private companies, and hundreds of multinational and national companies are engaged in seed production, varietal development, and marketing of these products. So they are recruiting especially MSc and PhD students for research purpose in different capacities, and BSc and MSc students for marketing purpose. So horticulture graduates can get job there, especially those who are pursuing their PhD and MSc degree. I would like to advise them to fetch good package or to get good job in private industry. They should learn the sophisticated techniques, especially the molecular tools, different softwares, and different advanced techniques they should basically learn to get jobs. As far as floriculture and landscape gardening is concerned, past decade there are several construction companies in road sector, in metro, in housing society. They are recruiting the floriculture graduates for landscaping and gardening, and additionally in export sector or for production of quality planting material, tissue culture labs, they also need horticulture graduates in private sector. And moving towards the most important third sector, that is the self can say startup or enterprise or starting our own venture. The horticulture science itself provides picture perfect opportunity for starting own venture. Especially there are high tech nurseries. One can start high tech nurseries, tissue culture laboratories, or vertical farming, or hydroponics, aquaponics, or they even can go for minimal processing, or several opportunities are there. And in fact the current government is supporting young students to start their own venture startup. For that they have in fact created incubation centers at several institutes, like IRI is having one, and in fact institutes like IHRC, ISH are providing trainings to young people. So at last I would like to advise all students that they should try to learn the sophisticated techniques, new techniques, advanced techniques. They should acquire the advanced knowledge, and they should make themselves competent to get good job. Thank you very much.